Hello, I'm Harshita and welcome to Isomes. Today we have with us the first dean of Isomes who led the foundation of Isomes, veteran media professional, author, filmmaker Professor Lal, who has contributed to television and education immensely with several decades of experience on his sleeves. Professor Lal is also a trendsetter, and as an Isomes student, I feel so much privileged to interview. Hello sir, welcome to Isomes once again.
It's been a pleasure coming to Isomes all over again and to see the progress that the institution has made. It's a very, very fulfilling feeling, and I must thank people like you who have made Isomes.
So sir, how do you feel after being 15 years coming back here?
I have always missed Isomes. I missed because the love that I got here and the learning that I got here. A teacher gets taught also because a teacher comes across various type of people, characters, ambitious, some downcast and so on. So I learned such a lot of things here, and in a way I am coming back to my own school.
So sir, what does Isomes mean to you?
I don't know. It is a feeling. It means that it's like a child of mine who has gone ahead of me, which is wonderful.
And sir, being a seasoned professional media and journalist and writer, what are the important points you want to give to today's Gen Zs that are entering the media?
I think the most important thing for anyone in media is to be creative. That is the most important thing. And I can see that there's a lot of creativity spread all around. So that's very satisfying. I'll say once again that the most important thing for anyone in media is creativity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.